Changing prices in Facebook shops is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, log in to your Facebook account. Once logged in, click on Marketplace. Now click on Create New Listing from the left dashboard. Choose a listing type such as item for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for sale or rent. After selecting one, click on Add Photos to upload the items you want to sell. Select the item you want to upload and click on Open. You will see that your image has been uploaded. Now, you will see the title box on the left. Add any title you prefer. To enter the price, scroll down the dashboard and go to Price. Enter the price you want. Then, select the category. You can also enter the condition and brand. Scroll down to add other information. Once you have entered all the details and uploaded the item on this page, click on three dots. Here, you can find the option Edit Listing. You can edit again, such as changing the price. Then, click on Update. Now, you will see that the price has been changed. This is how you can change the price in a Facebook shop.